My name's Alison and I'm the co-founder of Cycling Vine Tours. We're located on the beautiful Mornington Peninsula and our cycle tours are run around the Red Hill area, which has got amazing vineyards. When you get to cycle with us, you get to actually experience the outdoors, you get to actually feel the environment and be part of the nature, as well as seeing all the local food and produce along the way.
So we start and we ride through the beautiful rail trails of the Mornington Peninsula, passing vineyards and local produce stores, and then we'll end up at a vineyard and we'll have some wine tasting and we'll have lunch, and it's just a great day in the outdoors.
Our guests love that they can have their own adventure. We give them the information about where we suggest to go, we tell them about the paths and give them a map, but it's their own day to have their own special experience. And everyone will experience the Mornington Peninsula in a different way.